been on a paper chase for months.
What's good? It's your boy G-Kid back with another video. Yo, your boy got some new wheels for the GTI and also the Civic. It's going down. Like, I'm so excited. Check out the wheels. Boy, you thought ain't nobody got no BBS money? Got him! Ain't nobody got no BBS money. What you thought you was watching, like Fresh Kicks or something? Nah, no way. Your boy copped some snow tires. These are going on the GTI. But first, we got to get the jack out so we can go ahead and jack the car up, lift it, and I'm also going to show you a super cool tool that I love to use. And if you have a Volkswagen, GTI, anything like that, you're definitely going to want to stay tuned and get yourself one of these if you work on your car. Let's jump into it. Now, what wheels did I cop? Your boy picked up some Steelies straight from Tire Rack. Now, one thing you want to know, this side, driver side, this side is for passenger side. They're actually directional. So the way that they go on, you want that to spin in the same way that the wheel is rolling. The tires I got, these are the Michelin X-Ice Snow. You can see they're the X-Ice Snow 205 55 16s, actual snow tires. So that means when spring comes around, your boy got to take these off, put the other wheels back on. But what that does mean is because they soft the roads here, it's going to keep my regular wheels that much cleaner, and not even really that clean anyway to begin with, but it's going to keep them that much cleaner, and it's going to make me a little bit safer. We had a little bit of snow that we got, and man, I tell you, if you got regular GTI tires, get some snow tires if you deal with snow. I bet it's going to make a difference. I've had snow tires on other cars. My Integra made the world of a difference. So one thing you don't cheap out on is things that connect you to the ground. For example, sneakers. Don't cheap out on your sneakers. That's what connects you to the ground, cause back issues. Your bed connects you to the ground. Your pillow connects you to the ground. All of these different things that you're going to use every day that'll keep you safe and also healthy, you don't want to skip out on. So make sure to get some snow tires for my car. We also got these tires up here. These are actually some Blizzaks. They didn't make the Blizzaks for the size that I had to get for my car. I would have got the Blizzaks. Love the Blizzaks. And of course, when it's time to switch out the wheels, we got a 50-degree day. I don't know, man. That's our weather up here. Always chock a wheel if you can. So we got the Ryobi half-inch gun today, and I'm rocking it with a 17. Now you can't go wrong with this. First one down. So this right here is one of the coolest things ever. This is called a wheel hanger. I'm gonna bring you in a little bit closer to show you how it works. So all you do is you take this wheel hanger and put it in the hole that you want it in. You're just gonna put it in there. And that's what this is gonna do, is you're gonna slide your wheel on here, and this is gonna hold it for you so you can put your other lug nuts in or lug studs in. So it's almost like having a second set of hands. Holds it in place for you, and then you put your lug studs in. Now that we got those in and it's holding it in place, I can put the final one in and then zip them on. Now I'm just using an 80 foot-pound torque socket, and this is gonna limit the torque that's coming out of this gun here. Now, if you didn't watch the other video, I'm gonna put it up in the description below so you can see sort of how this works. And just like that, that wheel is on. We're gonna go ahead and zip around the other ones, and I'm gonna look at the finished product. I'm gonna go ahead and get into that right now. Wheel number 2. Alright gang, now that the wheels are all on, it's time to torque them. Gonna use 88 foot-pounds. That's the spec for the car. Alright gang, and just like that, GTI's got the new snow tires on it. I gotta make sure I move this wheel chock before I try to drive off, and it doesn't work. It honestly doesn't look half bad. Honestly, more than anything, this thing needs a wash. Look at that thing, boy, that thing is dusty. But I do like that meaty look. And the ones I'm running normally are 225, so a little bit wider, by 40, so much shorter. and these are size 18s. So these 16s are gonna look good. They're supposed to fit well. On top of that, when you have winter tires, you actually want them to be thinner because they can cut through the snow instead of floating on top of the snow. Anyways, it's your boy G-Kid. We got to do the Civic still, so prepare for that. If you saw something, anything that you like, any of these tools and things, I'm gonna make sure I try to put them all in the links in the description below. Make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. We can't wait to see you in the next video. It's your boy G-Kid. We signing out again. Peace. I'm definitely gonna have to make sure to do a review on these. I know they're gonna be good. I know they're gonna be good. If only we can get some snowfall. Of course, we got 50-degree days. Yo, check this out though. This is what me and my son made the other day. Just a little snowman. He's still out here kicking with all this grass and warm weather. Anyways, we made that last night actually. And yeah, you can tell how much different it is. Everything has snow on it. Now, sun's out. It's your boy. We signing out. Peace.
Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months.